Where are you going?
School.
No. Bakit dadala ko na dito?
Ay. Lalagyan na ito. Yung sa gilid.
I'm pressing it. I'm leaving it. No, you don't need to press it.
Okay.
Done.
Go, boy. Go.
Here.
Go. Follow mommy.
Oh.
Ah,
Take off down to You will fall. I will hold you. Dado? Oh, that's dangerous. Slowly.
Another.
where are you going, silly boy?
Oh, tanda si where he's going. Going somewhere.
Going where?
Come on, I'll carry you. Slowly. Dangerous, babe. Yan.
Why did you carry it? Like it's dangerous. Like it's dangerous.
Setting.
Monteng, parang ayaw magpan. Alaga.
Swimming pool na ginawang fish pond.
Maraming mga ano dyan. Jellyfish. Slowly.
Ting!
Slowly.
Testing!
Slowly. Ang Peng, turuan mo nga ako sa dahon mo. Hindi ako marunong. Turuan mo ako. Wala nang dahon ng ampalaya?
Wala.
Pag vegetable market. Oh.
Ah, wala. Ano
Ayun,
yun, Mang
yun.
Peng? Ano
Yun,
pwedeng
ano pa lang.
malunggay, di ba?
Oh,
Malunggay,
Sabi ko,
libre.
daw yan.
panglan.
Tapos,
Ayan.
Mang Peng, ano pa? Wala nang pang munggo.
Yung ampalaya, kaya lang, ayun, maliit pa. Ano ka
Lima lang to. Eto, Mang Peng, anong ginagawa dyan? Sa yung kalduhan mo, di ba yan?
Yan, mga ano, kamote yan. Ito, spinach, kaya lang magulang na.
Saan?
Ito,
Spinach siya?
Oo, kaya lang magulang.
Ako din gusto ko rin ng spinach. Hindi ko alam na spinach talaga.
Ito ang murang
Start ko lang an, kotse.
show that to Tita Lenyan and Yoyo Aben?
Yes.
Yeah. So that they will know.
Aha.
Ay, balik sa kanyang isa doon. Dahil, nakasarali ko ako.
Still hot. Still hot.
Okay. No, not here.
Excuse me.
Nalagay mo to.
Uy, may halaman.
No,
Aha.
ate.
Balik na sila, Bechay.
No.
Come here, baby.
May work. Mali siguro. Kanina pa. Hmm.
O, hintay na. Oo.
Oh, put it down, Jacob.
That's
dirty.
You move, babe. You move, you move.
Kaya mo sa harapan niya ng belt bag. Sa yung case.
You move, Basili. So that mommy can go. Move, baby. Move. Move. Wala niya ako mag-move.
Ate.
Oh, your hand, Basili.
Hot in the Philippines.
Maggie. Mario. The five one.
This is our new car.
Ate.
Wow.
It's nice.
Daddy. Hi. Oh, God.
Pogi Basili boy.
Hi.
This is our new car.
This is our new car.
Na si Basili. Hindi naman kotong-tong.
Hey. Mommy.
Oh.
This is our new car. I'm here.